Guys, sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but today's topic is games. Card games, video games, board games. These are all games you play to have fun, bond, or pass the time. Now today I will teach you how to make a board game. Yep, you're learning from the board game fanatic himself. Now, see this cardboard box here? You can make a board game out of this. Step 1. Pick a theme for your board game. Okay, now that you have an idea, expand on it and add to it until it's fully your idea. Step 2. Make gameplay. Because a board game without gameplay is like if you want to make chips, but you don't know that chips come from potatoes. A way to make gameplay easy is if you all have a common goal in the game. An easy way for players to move around in the game is to get 6-sided dice and let them roll and move around. It's very simple and basic. Make sure your game is fair, fun to play, and even a little bit silly, Anyways, this is the end of the video. If I give you too many tips, you won't really learn yourself. Plus, it wouldn't really be your game anymore, would it? I thank you so much. Make sure to like, and if you want to join my clan, subscribe. You could be the first. Anyway, bye. Keep enjoying.